Hello guys, welcome to the channel Codewood. In this video, we are going to talk about types of API testing. So generally considered, there are nine types of API testing. So uh, might be not in the right order, but yeah, try to explain all of them one by one. So the very first comes smoke testing. Smoke testing is nothing. You have to just check it out whether which endpoints are not working or which are not or which are working. So before doing any changes, any doing any stuff, you have to just check it out. You can check it out through the multiple softwares like Postman, or there are multiple as well. So you have to just check it out, which one are working and which one are not. And the second one is regression testing. Regression testing is, now this is a time when you have done some changes, and this time you have your changes will be merged to the main branch. And yeah, make sure it wouldn't break the API's behavior, otherwise there will be issue in the production one. And yeah, let me tell you one more thing. If your API of your code changes are breaking something, then you are not a developer. I mean, yeah, I'm also a software developer. I haven't pushed any wrong code till now in my life to the main branch or some another branch. I'm a software developer. Yeah, I think I did one time. No.
I think it's 5. No, I think it's 10. Oh, I think it's above 100. Maybe I'm not also a software developer? It doesn't matter. They're still watching my video.
The next is functional testing. Functional testing is when we are going to test or test cases against the functional requirements. Now, the functional requirements, like for example, we have one application, and we just try to figure out whether user is uh, able to log in into the application or not. So they will just put their username, password, and then if he he is able to log into the application, then yeah, everything is going fine in the functional testing. Otherwise, yeah, there are some issues. The next is integration testing. So the integration testing is like, if your endpoints, you are working with the endpoints, and obviously there are multiple components in your application where the data will be come from one particular endpoint. So we have to check the particular endpoints are working in all the components fine or not. So we have to just figure out this one. So this is the integration testing. The next is UI testing. UI testing is something we have to check whether the data we are getting from the endpoint is working fine in the front end side or not. I mean, is it gonna break any will it gonna break any CSS or something else? That's You can do that's onto the front end developers. It's not our problem. We are backend developers. I mean, I'm considered you are watching this because you are a backend developer or trying to be a backend developer. And now there is another one, force testing, FUZZ testing. So force testing is nothing. We have to just send the wrong data into the website, and then we have to check whether, I mean, we have to just send the wrong data, and we have to just check whether everything is working fine or not. If it is working fine, then that's a problem because we are sending wrong data. If it is not, then yeah, all good. The another one is security testing. Security testing is something we have to for example, there is one user and they have just typed their username and password. So we have to make sure the password is getting stored in the database, not in the plain text, obviously in the password encryption if you are a good software developer. So you have to just put the password in the encrypted form. And yeah, we have to also check the cookies and session management are working fine in this one or not. Yeah, if you have used JWT or something O authorization, then yeah, you have to figure out in this testing, you have to check it out whether they are working good or not. So this is all about the security testing. Now The next one or the last one is basically it's a phase now where applications behavior and stability will be checked under the user loads. So now there are two types of testing responsible for this, which is a load testing and a stress testing. Basically, it can be a quite confusing, but the thing is, first talk about the load testing. So load testing basically checks the system performance under the expected user loads, and it will see whether it remains should be, the website should be or application should be responsive after all those things, after all the loads and pressures, and also should be stable during the operations like API calls. But the stress testing is something different. Basically, it pushes your system beyond its limit and check it should not break anything. For example, you are doing some stuff in your application, and we are also increasing this time the system load, and we will check by increasing the load which thing it's gonna break in our application or what it's gonna break. So this is about the stress testing, I mean the all types of API testing. So yeah, this is all about. And one more thing, I have to share one diagram by byte go. uh, Although I will share this in the description as well, you can understand this. Yeah, I will share, but let's say just wait. Yeah, now you can see here there are 9 types of API testing. This is a uh, this complete PDF of 368 pages. I'll share this later on, or I will share in the description as well. So this is the 9 types of API testing they have described. Yeah, but obviously you will not get the complete idea because they have just written the one sentence and you're not gonna understand what exactly is going on. So first I'll suggest let's go through with this video, and then yeah, try to understand. You will definitely try to understand after this video what exactly is written over here. So this is all, that's all about the types of testing. See you in the next video.